Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add funds in Polymarket. You ever open Polymarket ready to make a prediction and then realize you've got exactly $0 in your account? Yeah, that part matters. Adding funds is actually pretty straightforward though. Once I'm on the main screen, I head straight to the deposit button, sitting in the top corner. It's hard to miss once you know it's there. After clicking it, I get a few options. If I'm feeling fancy, I can transfer crypto, which doesn't really have limits, but most of the time, I just go with a card payment, enter the details, confirm, and done. There's also options like PayPal or connecting an exchange, depending on what you prefer. What I like is that it doesn't overcomplicate things. You pick a method, follow the steps, and your balance updates pretty quickly. Quick tip, double check your payment details before confirming because fixing mistakes after sending money is never as easy as clicking back. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.